And then Jesus speaking about Hurst. The farmer comes and he shoves his seed. And then he gets on with the business of working. He gangs and does other things, and he rises in the morning and he beds at night. And the seed grows without him paying any muckle heed to it. It begins to move, and the seedy bursts open, and the wee green pops up above the ground. And it grows till the ears of corn are there, and the harvest time comes. The power of God is working there and at the ground in the seed. And harvest is God's gift. We've had a grand harvest this year, and grand weather together then. But we all have harvests in our own lives too. Families that grow, and we have been spending our days feeding them and providing for them and thinking little about exactly what we were doing. But they're growing, and they grow, and another generation comes, and we find ourselves proudly Pairt to a family. And so, let's mind that God's in our personal hearts. The hearts that come for our day by day dark. They are the ordinary jobbies that have to be done, and all the things that we think of at the time is dreary and dreary. But God's in them, and the end is our hearst and our treasure. In the wee minutes in the day that we spend lifting up our hearts to Him, and the whiles that we spend giving heart to other folk, and the times that we forget ourselves and minding others, there are the coins that make up our treasure, that a day we'll be glad that no moth nor dust can corrupt when we carry it home.